Hello traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'm going to share a high-probability short-term trading strategy using a combination of two powerful technical indicators. This strategy is used by traders across different markets to identify short-term price reversals with better accuracy. Please remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Short-term trading involves risk, so discipline and risk management are always essential. Now let's understand how this strategy works. This strategy uses only two indicators, which keeps the chart clean and easy to read. The first indicator helps identify price extremes, while the second confirms market momentum and exhaustion. When both indicators align, they provide a clear and structured trade setup. First, add the Fractal Chaos Bands indicator. It creates dynamic upper and lower bands around price, acting like natural support and resistance zones. When price reaches these outer bands, it often signals that the market is becoming overextended. Next, add the Williams percent range indicator. Change the settings as follows. Set the period to 6, the lower level to -95, and the upper level to -10. Make both levels bold so they are clearly visible. This indicator helps identify overbought and oversold conditions with precision. Use a 10-second candle time frame with a 1-minute expiry. This setup captures quick price reactions after extreme market conditions. Now let's understand the buy trade conditions. Enter a buy trade when price touches the lower band of the Fractal Chaos Bands and the Williams percent range touches or moves below -95. This indicates a strong oversold condition and a possible short-term upward move. Now let's look at the sell trade conditions. Enter a sell trade when price touches the upper band of the Fractal Chaos Bands and the Williams percent range touches or moves above -10. This shows a strong overbought condition and a possible short-term downward move. Always avoid trading during high-impact news releases. Do not overtrade and wait patiently for clean setups. This strategy performs best during high liquidity sessions, especially the European and New York sessions, where price movement is strong and consistent. Always avoid trading during high-impact news releases. Do not overtrade and wait patiently for clean setups. This strategy performs best during high liquidity sessions, especially the European and New York sessions, where price movement is strong and consistent. To make this strategy even easier for you, I have created a free step-by-step checklist PDF explaining all these rules clearly. You don't need to memorize everything right now. You can download the PDF from my Telegram channel. The link is given below in the video description. Now that you understand the rules and logic clearly, let's move to the live chart and see how this strategy performs in real market conditions. In this trade, I waited patiently for the market to show clear weakness before taking any position. Price had already moved up strongly, but instead of continuing higher, it started losing momentum near a key resistance zone. The candles became smaller, and buyers were clearly struggling to push the price further. At the same time, my confirmation tools aligned perfectly. The structure indicated exhaustion, and the indicator signals confirmed that selling pressure was building. This was not a random entry. The sell trade was taken only after the market gave confirmation that the upside move was likely to stop and reverse. As the trade continued, sellers gradually gained control. Each candle respected the structure, and price failed to break above the previous high. This confirmed that the sell bias was still valid. As expected, the market respected the structure and moved in the sell direction. The trade closed successfully, following the original plan without any unnecessary changes. Let's move to the next trade and apply the exact same structure-based decision process step by step. In this setup, the market was already showing clear signs of exhaustion on the downside. Price had respected a strong support area and started forming higher lows, which indicated that sellers were losing control. At the same time, our confirmation logic aligned perfectly, showing that institutional buyers were stepping in rather than retail noise. Based on this structured confirmation, the buy trade was taken with discipline, not emotion. following the system rules exactly as designed. Once the buy trade was active, the most important part was not reacting emotionally to short-term candle movements. Price briefly fluctuated, which is completely normal in any healthy market structure, but the key confirmation remained intact. During this phase, patience played a major role because institutional moves rarely happen in a straight line. As long as price respected the support structure and momentum stayed aligned with the system, the trade remained valid. As expected, price respected the structure and moved strongly in the buy direction. Momentum increased, confirming that the institutional side of the market had taken control. The trade closed successfully in profit. Now let's move straight into the next live trade and see how the same structured logic performs again in real market conditions. In this setup, the market was already in a strong bearish trend, but price had started slowing down near a key intraday support area. You can clearly see that the bearish candles were losing momentum, and smaller-bodied candles began to form, which often signals a short-term pause or corrective move. Based on this structure, the buy trade was taken as a counter-move opportunity, expecting a temporary pullback rather than a full trend reversal. The entry was rule-based, taken only after price reacted at support and aligned with the system's confirmation logic. After the buy trade was activated, price initially respected the support zone and moved slightly in the expected direction. This phase is critical because it creates confidence and often traps traders into believing the move is guaranteed. However, the key detail here is that the overall market structure remained bearish, and buyers lacked strong follow-through. As new bearish candles started to appear with increased momentum, it became clear that institutional sellers were still in control. This is the exact moment where emotional traders panic, but disciplined traders observe and learn instead of reacting impulsively. Eventually, the bearish momentum resumed, breaking through the support level and invalidating the temporary buy idea. The trade closed in a loss, not because the entry was random, but because the higher timeframe selling pressure overpowered the short-term pullback logic. Losses like this are a normal and unavoidable part of structured trading. What matters is that the trade followed predefined rules, risk was controlled, and the outcome provided valuable feedback about trend strength and timing. Now let's move straight into the next trade and see how adjusting to trend strength changes the outcome. In this setup, price moved into a clear resistance zone, while the overall structure remained bearish. Buyers showed weakness, candles failed to break above resistance, and institutional pressure was still pushing the market down. Based on this rejection and confirmation, the sell trade was executed strictly according to the system rules. After entry, price attempted a small pullback, which is normal during institutional distribution. However, sellers quickly absorbed buying pressure and kept price below the key level. As expected, selling pressure increased and price continued downward. The market respected the resistance zone, momentum aligned with the bias, and the trade closed successfully in profit. If you notice, every trade you saw in this video was not based on prediction or emotions. It was based on structure, confirmation, and disciplined execution. Wins and losses are both part of real trading, but the key difference is having a system that keeps you consistent over time. If you want to stop guessing and start trading with clarity and confidence, make sure you follow this channel for more structured, educational trading content. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.